I got a new bag today for my trip to Brazil, a new backpack. It looks really nice. It's Swiss Army brand, and it has a holster for a cell phone, which is pretty cool. So when you're wearing it on your back, you can access your cell phone. And it has tons of pockets. It's got a media pocket, so you can put your iPod in here and then actually have the headphones come out of this hole. So that's pretty cool. It's got a space for a laptop in the back here, and it's just got a lot of space. It's hard to do this with one hand and record at the same time, but let me try to get this open. There's a lot of different pockets in here. For pens, pencils, papers, passport, whatever, but it looks really cool. It's called Swiss Gear. So yeah, I'm going to start packing it up tonight and get ready for my trip. So that's all for now.